Each animal has behavior that is different or similar to other animals. In this experiment, the social and non-social behavior of a type of animal at Kemaman Zoo was observed for 1 hour and 30 minutes. In this experiment, Javan deer animals were chosen as experimental material. Scientific name of this deer species is Cervus limorensis, but people call this deer with its common name, which is Javan deer, lemur deer, or Sunda deer. This species comes from conservative family and mostly is found at Java and Bali in Indonesia. Javan deer can live up to 15 years or more longer. Javan deer usually live in small population groups. However, it also can be found in large groups also. Sometimes can be alone during mating season. Now, we need to take a look what is social and non-social behavior before we identify the social and non-social behavior of Javan deer. Social behavior is the interaction between animals with another animals in the same species. However, non-social behavior is animal action during alone without involving any interaction with individuals from the same species. After knowing the difference between social and non-social behavior of animals, Javan deer behavior in Kemaman Zoo has been observed. The objective of this experiment is to distinguish between social and non-social behavior for Javan deer and pay attention to the difference in behavior when at different times, namely afternoon and evening. Does time affect animals' behavior? Let me see. This is the result of the social and non-social behavior based on the total frequency shown by Javan deer for two different time sessions, which is from 12:30 p.m. until 1:50 p.m. and another session on 2:15 p.m. until 3 p.m. I will go first into social behavior. In social behavior, we can see vocalization and mounting are the behaviors with the highest frequency. But what is vocalization behavior? Vocalization behavior is under a communication category. The deer usually show this behavior by making a sound such as grunts, snorts, in courtship, and as a response during facing a danger. The function of this vocalization behavior for this species is to establish a territory, attracting a mate for mating process, and alarming other individuals in dangerous situation. Example of grunts or snorts released by Javan deer species is like this. Mounting is a behavior of animal where the male is attempts to mount a female during a mating like this. This process is necessary for every species of animal, not only for Javan deer. This is to ensure the continuity of descent by passing the genes during the reproduction. Next, aggressive display showing the social behavior with lowest frequency. The aggressiveness that showing by deer is such as kicking and candy pushing. This action usually can be seen during the deer want to defending their territory and during getting feeding. During concentrate feeding, adults display a significantly higher aggressive behavior compared to the juvenile. Besides, there are differences between the male aggressiveness with female aggressiveness. Male deer will aggressive with one another during feeding, defending area, and getting partners. However, female deer only show their aggressiveness when they are with their fawn in order to protect the fawn. This behavior called as vigilance. But in these observation studies, the aggressiveness by male and female deer is not too much presented. The possible reason is the area are not threatening them, and in their populations, the number of individuals is not many. So the competition to get something is reduced. Now, we go to the non-social behavior. The highest non-social behavior by Javan deer is walking. Based on this graph, Javan deer most walk in the afternoon with 175 steps and 100 steps in the evening. Based on the observation video, adult male deer is walking more than female deer during the afternoon because 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. is the feeding time for male deer. Next, the last behavior that I will discuss in this video is urination and defecation of deer behavior. Based on observation, they were having urination for twice, but no defecation was done during the observation. Urination occurs not only to expel the waste from their bodies, but the urine that they release also can be as mark to them, marking their area. Male deer mark their territory using their own urine by digging their ankles into urine-soaked soil and rubbing them against tree trunks. Before I finish this video, I want to conclude that Javan deer is live in a small group. However, the Javan deer also can show both behavior, either social and non-social behavior. Some of the behavior can be changed by the influence of the time, such as feeding, but some behavior are not influenced by the time, such as aggressive behavior and urination. Other than this video content, other behavior of social and non-social behavior showed by the Javan deer that I have not mentioned yet. Other than vocalization, mounting, unaggressive behavior, grooming, play behavior, courtship, display and active display are the social behavior that have been recorded as a result. However, other than walking, urination and defecation, feeding, resting, walking, running, vigilance and sniffing air is the other behavior of non-social in Javan deer.